So this morning we camped down at the beach by the river. Today we are doing the Lake Cumberland track. Starts out with a bunch of flexi ruts and then you pretty quickly get into some rock gardens. So we'll see how we go. The flexi stuff's just about to start here.
Been at it already, had my tarot read. Things are looking up for me, that's what my tarot said. Been pumping out pheromones and wearing red. Young Jerry Lawler king, but they're not aware of it. $40 to show money, that's what they stole from me. Blow it all bowling, guess I roll funny. Go find me a snow bunny, ask if this cold world's making her nose runny. She melted, I wear a cape that is velvet. Couldn't see it, she felt it. See it all like I'm Elvis, move my hips like I'm Elvis. I don't pitch it, I sell it. Couldn't picture me jealous. Sing do I, do I, do I.
So not long after all of the flexi erosion stuff at the start, you have rock garden after rock garden, all the way to the switchback. It's all super technical, and the reductions and lockers make it super easy and just fun to take on. What do you reckon so far, mate? How's the GQ going?
I'm having too much fun so far to be nervous about the switchback. In a sec, it's going to come up in front.
I know what you mean.
And so here it is, the switchback. What the cameras don't show with this place is the gradient of everything. You're actually driving across the face of a steep hill and it leans you down the face of it. Yeah. so this was a bit heartbreaking for Tyler because we couldn't actually get his lockers to work. The lights weren't on for the switches or anything, and I didn't know where the relays were.
My locker lights aren't coming on, they're working there a minute ago. Now neither.
And so all we could do was hook up the winch. Top of Lake Cumberland. We've just done the switchback and then it's super scratchy through here, so yeah, if you're going to come up here then expect to pinstripe pretty bad. One more climb up here to go. We'll be at the top, have some lunch, maybe have a swim. I'll show you how scratchy this track is. Fun times. We're just heading back along this scratchy track now.
and we're going to go down the switchback. This is the bit that I haven't been really looking forward to all day. I don't really mind driving up it, to be honest, but I don't like going down it. This car's really well set up for it. Like, it's the car you want to be in. It's got big wide GU diffs. It doesn't have much lift. It doesn't have a canopy. It's got a flatbed tray, but it still scares the crap out of me. But yeah, anyway, we'll go and get it done. We're just crawling through the bush now.
I swear, that was not bad. That was fine. I'm not being an idiot either. Can I go back from here, or do I need to
Just give me a look.
get more in there?
Yeah, you can come back a little bit. Now steer hard to your left. Go forward, forward, forward.
It should slip me off the bank if I'm on the edge of it.
Yeah.
Just that way a bit? Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
So that's the switchback we just did then. I'm really happy that's over. He'll probably show some footage of me being pretty sooky about it. You feel on it, Tyler? You were pretty good on it?
Yeah, I didn't feel too bad in the end. The most stressed I got in this whole thing was bashing my car through the rocks getting up to the turnaround point when we first came up. I didn't feel too bad on the switchback. It was a bit annoying that my lockers decided to stop working.
Talking about is the top turnaround. So like there's a couple of methods to do this, obviously. The way that a lot of people are doing Cumberland at the moment is you turn around below the switchback and back up into here. And then what Forward Drive Action and a couple of other people have done since is just like winch up around the corner. The OG method, or like traditional line, is actually to turn around above it. I've turned around above it before, but never did the switchback. And then every time I've done the switchback, I've reversed up to it. And so I've never actually linked all the original lines together as one. That was kind of my rationale for doing the traditional line and then doing the switchback.
Cumberland's one way in, one way out, so you got to head back down all the rock gardens, and then you come to the flexi stuff again, which is just as fun going down.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I was soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my broom. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm back to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't be labeled like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real.
So we're having a bit of a celebratory drive in the dunes today. We've done Cumberland today, so we've gone for a bit of a flog around the dunes to have some fun. There's Kai. But yeah, beautiful night tonight. Dead set. You wouldn't be able to pick a more perfect night on the west coast. But yeah, This is what we're up to.
They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and them, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and die in those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't relate with like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. There was a child back in the womb. Oh, told him step back, I need my room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm hopping now I gotta go. I'm looking back, they not even close. Then it's my time, look at this shit on my wrist. And when they shooting this brace, I'm going in a new gear, gotta shift. I cannot stick to the script, I cannot wait. Watch how I get it and flip. This just how I'm doing this shit and I'm gone.